Now in this video we'll talk about multi-calc stage. Multi-calc stage is used to perform multiple calculation in Blue Prism. So here in this video we'll take one example, perform multiple calculation. We will delete this calculation stage and we'll take this multi-calc stage here and just connect with these stages. Double click on multi-calc stage and let me change the name calculation, and here you can see we are going to perform multiple calculation here. First we are going to perform addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, and then division. So first here you can see first expression. You can directly write here, or you can click on this expression editor. It will open expression editor here, and now first we are going to perform addition here. So we'll take here, you can directly take from here also, add. So we have number 1, number 2, paste, click OK. Now this number 1 plus number 2 will be stored in sum. Okay, we need 4 here. This is for, so you can just copy paste also, copy this, paste here, and just replace this minus, and take here subtract, again copy and paste here and change with multiply. Here just put here multiply and click on this button, so it will create one data item. Now paste here again, and this is for divide. Now click OK. So here you can see now we have taken 4 data items, that is sum, subtract, divide, and multiply, and we have 2 numbers, number 1 and number 2, and here we are going to perform multiple calculation. And you can see here, let me run this, and here you can see we have number 1 value, that is 12, number 2 value, that is 3, and you can see based on the output, that is sum, multiply, divide, and subtract, we have the different outputs here. So by this way you can perform multiple calculation here. This is not about the plus and minus. You can write multiple expression here. You can use here text functions, like we have length, instr, concatenation, lower, upper, trim, star, trim, and like that. Now in the next video we'll talk about decision stage.